Primal Grill has chosen Esplendor Resort at Rio Rico to film its 2009 and 2010 series. The popular PBS show is filmed to a backdrop of our original 18-hole Trent Jones Senior Golf Course and a foreground of delicious entrees freshly prepared on the grill. Book your 2-course special today and get a room, 18 holes of golf, and our own chefs will prepare your signature Primal Grill entrees for 2 for just $1.99. The only thing missing is the star.
I'm Stephen Reichlin, and from the beautiful Esplendor Resort in southern Arizona, it's time to grill.